Whew, okay guys, Cardi and Cardi here guys, I'm here guys, and this time, as you can see guys, this is Cardi and Cardi, based in Florida, Orlando, Florida guys, that's where I'm at, and this is you can see, Tarantula, and this is a SoundStream Tarantula guys, this is what I have on the table now. Yes guys, this is what I have on the bench, aka bench, table, whatever you guys call it. Alright guys, this one is in protection mode for some strange reason. So I was attempting to take this thing apart right now, but I was a bit disturbed and I was like, alright, maybe I should make a video right now, but let's go ahead, take it apart. Because this part you can't take off. The way they made this kind of little unique, that's a little style, I guess, you know. This is well, I work on amplifier before, like something like this guys. Definitely we have to take off only the bottom to get to everything, yes, and the top wouldn't come out. So yeah, it's not the first I've kind of see amplifier like, but this I wouldn't expect this from like this company, like, you know, with this board, like, you know, everybody is imitating the Brazilian circuit board, and which they do with this one, with the that's what they imitating the SoundStream. I mean the Sound Digital guys. Sorry about that, Sound Digital. Alright, so yep. So I'm gonna take off these here because I'm gonna pull it out from here. I think we move those 3 screws up here maybe. Yeah, this is the first time I'm working on one of these. The brand of this one, like guys, yes, I never have one of these on my channel. I have SoundStream, but not this type, a newer type. I reckon a lot of SoundStream. But yes, not this one, the Tarantula, this type here, 4-channel. Yes guys, forget to tell you guys it's a 4-channel amplifier. Yep. 4-channel amplifier guys, and this is it. I didn't tell you before. But yes guys, you can see there, TXP4.3500D, that's what it says. I don't know if it does that. And this is how it look at the front of it here guys. Yep. Yeah guys, I'm moving fast guys. Believe me guys, I'm on a road today. You're gonna see some other videos that I put out guys, that yeah, I was really speeding through. Yeah, stuff, you know, get done. Believe me guys. Nah, I don't have to remove this, and I don't have to remove, I have to remove this here. So guys, and I have a speaker which I don't think is going to be here today. Like, yeah guys, I have a massive IPO, yes guys, massive IPO, yeah, that I have to fully repair guys, voice card, everything new. But yeah, that should have done today, but I think it's gonna be tomorrow before I do something like that. But yeah, this is what I'm on today. Okay, circuit board is screwed on. Why am I pulling it like that? Come on. Okay. Alright. I hope my wife don't come to go pick up my daughter now, because she's started this repair. I wouldn't want to stop right now, I swear to you guys. Oh, it's coming already. Just a little bit. Okay, not everything I need out here. Stay inside. Oh, come on, you stay inside too. Come on. This thing look alright. Now, this little thing for the light out here is refusing to come. I have to unplug it. Nice. Nicely done. Aha. And that's the circuit board there, guys. This is the chassis. Look at it. Ah ha ha. Ah ha ha. Empty. Guys, I tell you the truth, this thing is solid. Jeez. Man. They put a lot of work in making that thing. This thing should do 5,000 watt with that heat sink it has there. Alright. Come on, don't tell me sound is in this board. Yes. What on? Why did they face these driver heights as if they don't figure that somebody know that somebody must have figured it out by now? Jesus, wait, man, these people are something else. Yeah, guys, something with this amplifier right here in the like some liquid fall. If you could, yeah, I don't know if you could see it there, guys. It's on these resistance of here, like some liquid. Yeah, I guess yes, you guys could see it right there. Yeah, something. Yeah. All right, output. All right, protection mode. All right, let me check something here, guys. First, he says H1. He uses H1 power supply MOSFET, guys. Yeah, this replacement for these are the IRF 1404, so don't worry about that. IRF 1404. And over here they use C2. Holy crap. The first one I put it on, oh my words. Oh my words. So long, guys. I put on resistance too, so you guys see that I can use resistance. Put the beep on for the resistance. And then get drain and source. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Go to the side, look at that. Wow. Alright. Force up here. This one is reading good. Good reading. Good reading. Good reading. These are reading good. Aha. So C2. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's kind of weird. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers. You see how it goes, guys? They double them. So that's for one speaker. That's for one speaker. That's for one speaker. That's for one speaker. So yeah, that makes sense. So yep. So two MOSFET for one speaker. So this is supposed to really drive really good. But guys, I'm not gonna just replace these. I'm gonna replace everything with IRFB 4115. IRFB 4115 for these guys. That's what I'm going to use replacing these guys. But yeah. Oh yeah, these are bad. Yeah. Jeez. Oh, that was quick. That was quick. 47 of the gauge resistor, guys, is 47 ohms. See 46.4, yeah, 47 ohms, guys. Check out the gate, make sure these gate resistors are working fine, yeah. Working. 7 ohms. 46.5. Right, so guys, yeah, I think I'm gonna clean here, yeah, definitely. Whew. And replace these up here. Right, let me see what's going on here. And let's put this up. Alright. So for the guys, that was what the guy was watching and telling me that I don't use my meter. I don't show him my test resistance and stuff like that. I guess he'll be happy now because I just did that right there. Yeah, I hope he's happy because I know he's watching. Alright. This guy, so yep, definitely this goes up way up. Come on, don't stop at 690. You're at 896 degree Fahrenheit. Let's see. 896, oh 896. All right, guys. So I'm gonna remove all of these, and then hold on. Let me get. Hold on. No, I don't even want to go get a glove because everything from here is coming out right now. Hold on. Let me make sure output. Yes, guys. Output. Output, guys. Yep, let's do that. Alrighty then. Guys, those are C2. That's a part number on them, guys. C2. Okay, these guys them thinking that we wouldn't figure out what goes there, but we do figure out what goes there. Alright, guys, sorry about that. I'm gonna have to make part 2 of this, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go pick up my daughter. I have to stop now, so I can't pause the video that long because it's gonna take like an hour, so or 45 minutes. So I'll let you guys know. Yeah, on part 2, I'm gonna replace this. I'm gonna show when I'm installing everything back, so you guys won't miss nothing. So please stay tuned. Please like, subscribe if you like what I see. And Cardi, guys, is out for now. Gonna go pick up my daughter from school, guys. You know it goes. Yeah, man got to do what a man got to do.